Tired of same old profile picture and want a change? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to change profile picture on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap on Edit Profile at the top left. Tap on your profile picture. It will show a few options like New Profile Picture, Import from Facebook, and Remove Current Picture. For the second option, make sure that your Instagram and Facebook accounts are connected. If you don't know how to, then make sure to check the video out in our channel. I'm tapping on the first option. It will show you all the pictures from your gallery here. Choose the picture that you like, adjust the size, then after you're satisfied, tap on Next at the top right. Here you can edit pictures by adding different effects, or even tapping Edit, then edit by various tools given. After you're satisfied, tap on Done, then tap on Next at the top right. And this is how you change your profile picture on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.